NordicTrack Commercial Series Treadmill pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've seen NordicTrack's sleek Commercial Series treadmills, you've probably wondered why they're some of the most popular smart treadmills on the market. The surprising truth? It's because they combine premium build quality with high-end tech at a lower cost than you might expect. The NordicTrack Commercial Series includes models like the 1750, 2450 and 2950 with prices ranging from about 0 to 500. What do you get for that? A powerful motor up to 15% incline and 3% decline and a large touchscreen powered by IFIT NordicTrack's interactive fitness platform. The real magic comes from IFIT, which costs £1 per month. With that subscription, you get access to thousands of instructor-led workouts, including scenic runs filmed all over the world. Picture yourself running through the Swiss Alps, with the treadmill automatically adjusting incline to match the terrain, no buttons needed. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just a treadmill with a screen. But IFIT brings dynamic coaching, real-world terrain simulation, and performance tracking into one seamless experience. You also get automatic software updates, global challenges, and cross-training options like yoga and height workouts, all built right into the same platform. So, what do you get for your money? A commercial-grade treadmill with smart tech that makes running feel adventurous, immersive, and sustainable. If you want a serious machine that adapts to your fitness goals and takes you places while you train, the NordicTrack Commercial Series gives you a complete fitness journey, not just a workout.